Telangana was one of the first states to start using data very intelligently. We had access to multiple kinds of data, and we put together a good system through which we could use that data to forecast what would be the spread of COVID, what would be the hotspots, the containment zones, and all that planning and management really helped us in good stead. But we know for sure that COVID is not completely out of our lives. There could be a third wave, there could be a fourth wave also, there could be other kinds of disasters. So we have decided to bring together all the individual departments who use data, who create data, who manage data together in this wonderful COVID command and control system.
The Telangana War Room is a combination of the command center and the call center, which is going to attend to all kinds of citizens' COVID-related queries. For example, somebody sitting at home requires telemedicine and wants to be cured from COVID, or if it is somebody who needs to be hospitalized and they require an emergency ambulance at their doorstep, or if they are in shortage of any kind of medical supplies, and even for that matter, if we're talking about psychological counseling post-COVID. So this is like that one-stop shop where anybody can call 1905 and talk about their requirement.
Data plays a very critical role in taking several decisions and policy interventions. These decisions and policy interventions, if taken at the right time, can save several lives and reduce the impact of the pandemic to a great extent.
In this regard, the COVID Command Center plays a pivotal role in handling the various issues which requires intra-departmental coordination. Should it be police department, or should it be traffic department, should it be healthcare department, or should it be the mobilization of resources to various parts of the state, this center would act as a single point of contact for various agencies to call and get their grievances redressed.
1905 is the COVID helpline number that any citizen of the state or the country can call for assistance with any COVID related queries.